Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Tech Wafer. Hopefully you're having a great day. Adil here, your host, and in this video I'm about to unbox a product which I've just bought. I've spent a lot of money on it, and the product is TCL C725. So here we go with the unboxing and the first impressions of the product. But before moving any forward, if you have not subscribed to Tech Wafer already, a sub to the channel will be highly appreciated and it will keep me motivated to create more content like this. Here we go with the unboxing. Okay, so before moving on to the unboxing or the actual unboxing, let's take a look at the features. And this panel is having a quantum dot technology. Apart from that, the Dolby's Vision Atmos support, MEMC, and then it also has HDR10 plus certification. The TV has Onkyo's soundbar, which I've tested on the C825. That was working damn well. Apart from that, this is a smart TV, so it has Android support. You can even call using a third-party camera, and then it also has voice-free control, so you can control your smart home through this TV, which I'm going to show you in this video because the whole room that we are sitting in is smart. So I'm going to show you that example as well. Okay, so now that we have opened the box, at the top we are getting documentation, and let's just open this and find out the things that we are getting here. So here's the TCL's remote control, and apart from that we are getting the user manual. As usual, we're going to throw it like this, and there comes the warranty card and the product information, so we're going to keep that for later usage. And we also have standard stuff that we get with smart LEDs, the power cable, the batteries, and some cables. So there we go. And apart from that, we are getting these brackets to hold on and put this TV on some kind of table. Actually, I'm sitting on that table right now. So that's it. Pair your remote. Please press and hold the home and OK button on your remote at the same time. Now, speaking about the software section, this TV comes bundled with a lot of apps, including Netflix, TCL channel, the Prime Video, the simple television mode, and it also has the YouTube app, the Magic Connect, which is basically the cast option to cast your content from smartphone to directly to your TV. And then it also has this media player option, which works when you connect USB with it. I think we should test not just the quality of the picture and also the sound quality, so let's just go there. Dolby Atmos. The internet is a bit slow, but that's okay. Let's go with the flow.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead, while the sound of a scared little kid running like hell fades away in the distance.
You can choose to watch YouTube videos at 4K 1440 pixels and also 1080p pixels, and it supports HDR playback because the smart TV, the TCL C725, comes with HDR10 plus certification, so you can definitely enjoy the HDR content. So let's just watch a clip.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on fait ce soir? Je suis bête, je comprends pas. Je sais pas, on va remettre la vie.
Okay, so now let's just test whether or not this smart TV is compatible with the smart home. I've set up some lights right there. All of these devices are connected with the Google Home. So let's just get back to the TV and try and turn them on. Turn on lights.
Got it. Turning on 3 lights.
As you can see,
Sorry, it looks like the RGB isn't available right now.
one light is not set up, but the rest of them are just turned on. So, ta-da! It works fine with the smart home or the Google Home app. Now let's get to the input section, and you can connect your smart TV with the cable and choose the television mode just like that. I do not have any cable network, so it's not connected right now. And you can also connect it through the HDMI ports. There are 3 HDMI ports available, and there's also audio video input, and there's a media player, television, home. So there we go. I normally prefer to watch anything on the smart TV, but for the past week and a half I've connected the smart TV with the Macbook, and my experience so far has been impressive. Let me show you how. As soon as you connect something with the HDMI, that port becomes available and you can simply click on it like this, and there we go. Now we are on to the MacBook and we can simply use it. And it's been some time that I've been using my MacBook with this setup because it becomes a massive monitor and it is a bit easier, or I would say it's much easier for me to edit videos and also do my work. And just so that you know, it is fun editing videos on a massive screen. And while we're speaking about TCL C725 using with the PC or laptop, I must say the color accuracy of the LED is great. In fact, it is much better and easier for me to differentiate between the colors when I am using the LUTs and even managing my footage and color grading it using the native color and effects tab, and I just have to manage it just like that. The colors become much easier to manage and the overall footage quality improves a lot. So big thumbs up to the TCL C725 for the quality of the colors that it provides. Now speaking about the smart remote control that comes bundled with it, it has some quick buttons like Netflix and YouTube. You can simply click on these buttons to directly navigate to the app like that, or you can even tap the YouTube to just get into the YouTube. There's also the media and the TCL channel button that's right there, and you can directly navigate to the exact app these buttons are programmed for. Now coming to the part where you can use the Google Assistants. I've already shown you a demo, but you just have to tap on this button and say whatever you want the Google Assistants to do. And apart from that, you've got the volume controls. You can simply lower the volume and turn it up. There is this channel shifting button. Obviously I'm not using any cable, so there's no use for that. And whenever you want to switch back to the home screen, you just have to tap on the home button and it will take you directly to the home screen just like that. And then there are these number buttons. You can use these to switch between channels or to input data. So overall, the remote's functionality is quite impressive, but I think there's a bit of delay, but it could have been improved maybe through a software update or so. And overall, in the price range it's being offered in, it definitely provides a satisfying user experience and I'm pretty happy with it. So that's it about the unboxing and kind of first impression video, which turned out to be a short review of the TCL C725. I just do hope that you like it, and if you really did, a like on the video and a sub to the channel will be massive. See you in the next one. Till then, peace out.